I'm amongst the tea leaves looking for seeds, and here I find a tree frog. Oh, it's kind of chilly. I used to work at the museum, and we used to have red-eyed tree frogs. He's heavy. Hello, buddy. It's kind of chilly right now. Normally they don't let you this close. And when they're cold, they go into their slumber mode. Hey, buddy. I wonder if he'll jump for me. Look at those toes. We're in North Carolina. This is a little tree frog. Yeah, normally they jump. All right, I'll let you be. Oh, there he goes. Sometimes you can find snakes. Oh, I lost them in the plants. I'm just looking for seeds right now. They can be inside or under the plants. Just gotta watch out for the honeybees.